Hello, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Una mensahe ni Gemini, don't give up on love. Gemini, okay, anong tawag dito? Hindi pa tapos ang lahat, hindi ba? Kung meron kayong karelasyon ngayon and you are on a rough patch, may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan siguro at this time, no? Don't give up, no? Kasi sa kahit anumang klaseng relasyon, normal naman ang meron tayong rough patch na pinagdadaanan at some point. Diba? Wala namang perfect journey. Kaya, hindi ibig sabihin na meron kayong rough patch na pinagdadaanan, that's the end, 'di ba, ng inyong relasyon. Marami pang bagay ang pwede siguro ninyong mapag-usapan. Magkakaroon pa kayo ng maraming oras of togetherness dito. Kaya, kung sa tingin ninyo may pag-asa pa, then work on it. 'Di ba? Sabi dito, a relationship you cherish can be healed. See? Can be healed. So, ibig sabihin, meron pa tong pag-asang maayos. Allow me to clear the way for forgiveness so that love can thrive again. Yan ang advice sa inyo ni Archangel Michael. At tutulungan kayo dito ni Archangel Michael na maging maayos ang inyong sitwasyon hanggang sa makarating kayo sa acceptance, forgiveness as well. Okay? Para mag-grow muli ang inyong relationship. Sabi dito, deeper insights are at hand. Ayan, so you may need to do some kind of reflection dito, retreat, meditation, because there are deeper insights dito na kailangan ninyong marinig, kailangan ninyong ma-find out. And that is going to help you move forward, no? Lalo-lalo na siguro sa relationship matters. Sabi sa card, your overall plan is good, but details need work. So, reflect before moving forward. Ayan. What else? We have put your creative energy into action. Archangel Gabriel joins me to spark your creativity, help you communicate your vision, and motivate you to create something beautiful. Ayan. So, nagko-collab ngayon si Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Michael dito para magkaroon ng spark ang inyong creativity. Kasi you have that creativity in you. You have that artistry. You have that creative ideas para siguro nakukulangan lang kayo ng support kaya hindi ninyo yan na ilalabas, hindi ninyo na i-express. But maybe now is the time, no, for you to take action towards that. Kaya tutulungan kayo ni Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Michael, no, na mag-spark ang inyong creativity at mailabas ninyo yan, magamit ninyo yan for your highest good. Okay? What else? We have pray from the heart. Prayer really can move mountains. That's very true. Very powerful ang prayer. Reach out to the divine with your heart's concerns and watch miracles unfold. Ayan. Magdasal kayo, no? Taimtim na pagdadasal, buong pusong pagdadasal. Ang i-feel ninyo yung inyong dasal, no? At that will reach the divine. At kung ano man yung mga concerns ninyo, problema ninyo, dreams ninyo, mga goals ninyo, lift it all up to God. No, lift it all up to God and the rest of your spirit team, and for sure, you will be able to witness those unfold right before your eyes. We have angels of healing are with you. Wow, napakaganda. No, yung healing energy na to, no, siguro hindi lang ito healing sa physical ailments, but it feels like to me na yung healing powers na to ng inyong mga angels ay para din dito sa relasyon na merong pinagdadaanan, ano. A time of healing is about to bless your life. Accept Archangel Raphael's emerald green light while I enhance your strength. So, collaboration uli ito ni Archangel Raphael at ni Archangel Michael. Magtutulungan sila para mag-heal na ang inyong puso, mag-heal na ang inyong mga sakit, no? At nang makabalik na kayo sa strength, makabalik na kayo sa isang masayang relasyon. Someone new is coming. Wow, so merong bagong love connection siguro dito na mabubo between you and another person if you are single, okay? Sabi dito, an important new relationship is on the horizon. Open your mind and heart so that happiness can enter your life. Ayan, so may bagong relationship, no? Possible din na hindi lang ito bagong love and romantic relationship na maaring mabuo, but this could also be other kinds of relationship, no? Baka friendship, baka relationship ninyo with a colleague, or relationship ninyo as a business partner, sa maaring ganon din. What else? We have angel number 1551. Hold your vision. Napakaswerte ninyo sa ngayon, Gemini, kasi you are in a higher energetic frequency ngayon of manifestation. Kaya hold your vision, kung ano yung desires of your heart, kung ano yung dreams ninyo, kung anong gusto ninyong ma-achieve, no, or ma-experience sa buhay ninyo. Hold that vision, because maaring yan ay mag-manifest na sa ngayon. Nasa manifestation energy kayo sa ngayon, kaya very powerful kayo. Napakahalaga din, no, na while you are on the manifestation energy, mag-project lang kayo ng positivity. Okay? Positive thoughts, feelings, emotions, positive outlook, positive energy lang ang ibalot niyo sa inyong sarili para walang makasagabal, no, sa pagmamanifest ninyo ng kung ano ang mga gusto ninyong mamanifest sa buhay ninyo. Maaring ang minamanifest ng iba sa inyo dito is abundance, money, dreams, vision, and prosperity. Kaya napakaganda, no, ng pagkakataong ito na binibigay sa inyo ng universe. Take advantage of that. Focus on the good and maintain your concentration on the outcomes you desire. It's time to put your faith and time into your ideas and pursue your goals with all your might. You have such a beautiful, courageous, and brave spirit. Sabi din dito, 1144, high vibes. Ayan, so there is a divine intervention happening dito, no? Another prosperity card, big ventures, fated events, divine timing, no? Divine timing ito. At saka, keep your hope and faith alive. Yan. Sabi dito, love or other happiness lurks just around the corner. So, nandyan lang ang kasiyahan at pag-ibig, no? It will be something much better than in your wildest dreams. A rare opportunity, an exciting encounter with like-minded people will exceed your expectations. So, napakaganda nito kasi maraming iba't ibang klaseng oportunidad na maaring magbubulaga sa inyo dito, no? At yan na maaring makapagbago ng inyong sitwasyon. Maaring malagpasan pa niya kung ano man yung inyong mga pinapangarap, no? Maaring sobrang ganda siya. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.